What happened with this Jeep?
All right, so we're having a new project delivered to us. This is a 91 model. It's got a few dents and scratches on it, some issues, but gonna be a project for us. Let's get it unloaded. All right, so we're here with Timm Garcia from Foreplay Off-Road out of Whitney. Timm, tell us what you do down there.
Well, we build and try to customize Jeeps for people.
Just Jeeps or other four-wheel drives?
Everything.
Okay.
We also automotive shop. We do like having fun. That's the whole idea.
Now, let me ask you something real quick. As part of your having fun, coming out here to Weapons Academy and
yes.
training with us. All right, just had to get that in there.
Yep. I'm gonna bring mine out here and climb some of your cars.
There we go.
But yeah, we go about throughout Texas. I have customers worldwide. I have some in Switzerland. I have some in Australia and everything. I did what no one else could do for them. We go above and beyond to take care of our customers.
Right.
That's the main thing. And I build it off a relationship. It's not about the money. If you have a good relationship with your customers, they'll bring you the money.
And Timm, you have, and this is something that everybody needs to know, you got a recovery service also,
yes.
right? You will go out on the trail with your gear
yes.
and get them home safely.
That's true. We've actually did a airboat over here in the Trinity River.
Okay.
We did that over there somewhere by Corsicana.
So,
but he had blew his motor up.
Not just motor vehicles, other things as well. Yep. So, well, what do we got here today? You're delivering a new item to me here.
Yep,
so
93, it runs. Just needs a little stuff to it. I think it has 456 gears in it, so
okay.
that's good.
We'll find out soon enough as we tear into it.
It's not the best of Jeeps, but it's a good project Jeep. It's pretty, at least it's not very expensive, but we'll do whatever the customer needs. If you need me to come pick you up in California, we'll go to California and pick you up.
Okay, so there we go. So Timm has delivered to us this morning a 93 YJ with a 4.0 in it, 5-speed. It does run, like he said, it's got what, 150 some odd original miles on it, so it's not too bad on miles. And this is probably going to be a little project for next year. So for right now, we're going to just put it in mothballs, because we've got some other adventures coming up, and then next year we're going to be collaborating on some efforts to get this thing.
Then we can do Gilmer or something pretty soon.
Absolutely,
do
absolutely.
Awesome little trip.
Looking forward to it. All right, Timm. Well, thanks for bringing this out today.
Appreciate it.